How to activate the automatic backup feature and automatically back up your photos and videos. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, and you will be able to automatically back up your photos, videos, and all your data to your Gmail account. Before we proceed with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get started. The first step, my friend, is to go to your phone settings. Then, at the bottom, you will find Google. Tap on Google. Then, at the top, make sure that this is the Gmail account you want to back up all your photos, data, videos, and everything else to. Next, my friend, at the bottom, you will find the backup service is currently disabled. Tap on Manage Backup Features. Then, my friend, you will find an option to enable backups. Do you want to back up photos and videos, or do you want to back up other device data? Enable it from here, and congratulations. Your data and photos have been, or will be, automatically backed up. For any questions, problems, or suggestions, please write them in the comments. We'll meet again in a future video, God willing.